Today we will discuss theoretical chance versus experimental chance. First, we will discuss theoretical chance. Here we have a dice. The dice has 6 sides with a different number on each side of the dice. To record the chance of rolling a number as a fraction, we need to determine the total number of possible outcomes as the denominator. The denominator is the number on the bottom of the fraction. As there are 6 sides on a dice, the total number of possible outcomes is 6. If I wanted to know the theoretical chance of rolling a 4, I would need to know how many 4s are on the dice. There is 1 4 on the dice, so I will record a 1 as the numerator. This tells me that if I roll the dice, in theory, I should roll a 4 1 out of 6 times. So that is in theory. Will this always be the case? Now we will discuss experimental chance. Experimental chance is determined by experimenting to find a solution. So I will roll the dice 6 times and record the experimental chance as a fraction. I am rolling the dice a total of 6 times. So my denominator is the total number of possible outcomes, which is 6. The numerator will be the total outcome. I will record the dice rolled, the number rolled, and the number of times it's been rolled. So I have the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number 2. Do that one again. The number 6. Number 6. The number 5. The number 2. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need one more roll. The number 1. How many times did I roll a 4? So the numerator, the chance of me rolling a 4 was 0 out of 6. If I wanted to know the chance of me rolling a 2, it would be 2 out of the 6 possible chances. Now we're going to look at theoretical chance versus experimental chance using a spinner. I've accessed the spinner from visnos.com. The spinner, first we'll do the theoretical chance. The spinner, as you can see, has 9 different sides. To record the chance of rolling a number on the spinner as a fraction, we need to determine the total number of possible outcomes as the denominator. The denominator is a number on the bottom of the fraction. As there are 9 chances on this spinner, the total possible outcomes is out of 9. If I wanted to know the theoretical chance of spinning a 4, I would need to know how many 4s are on the spinner. There is 1 4 on the spinner. So I will record the number 1 in the numerator. This tells me that if I spin the spinner, in theory, I should spin a 4 1 out of 9 times. So that is in theory. Will this always be the case? Experimental chance, as we discussed, is determined by experimenting to find the solution. I will spin the spinner 9 times and record the experimental chance as a fraction. I am spinning the spinner a total of 9 times. The denominator is the total number of possible outcomes, which is 9. The numerator will be the total outcome. So I will record my spins. Spinner, the number spun, how many times. Okay, so there's a possible 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, the number 8. The number 7. The number 1. The number 8. The number 6. The number 2. The number 5. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 more spins. The number 5. Last spin. The number 7. How many times did I spin the number 4? None. So the numerator is 0. My experimental chance of spinning a 4 is 0 out of 9. What if I wanted to know the experimental chance of spinning an 8? That's right, the numerator would change to a 2 out of 9 chance.